shouldn't be actually. पूण कितें आसा, NCSM is the authorized agency of the central government आनी आमी पुतू फॉलोअप करतले. आज NGTन जी ऑर्डर जाली ही बरी ऑर्डर जाली. इट शोज द सिन्सिरिटी ऑफ द गोवा गव्हर्मेंट एंड द ऑफिसर्स ऑफ द गोवा गव्हर्मेंट. आनी आज ऑर्डरीन कितें जाला की इट इज ऑल्सो MOF इज मार्क्ड, मिनिस्टर ऑफ Environment for Forest and the center is also marked and told that they should handhold Goa with NCSM to finish the plan within this time. They are also made responsible to finish it. So it's a good decision that NGT has taken. We have been working, slogging, our officer, we circulate time to time. And we have already completed from our side. Other whatever their exercise was there, which was incomplete. So instructions are given from their side. आमचो एकूच इश्यू आसलो गोंयांत हाय टायड लायट ती आमी ऑलरेडी आमचें काम चालू आसा. सो स्मॉल आनी एक 10-15 दिसांनी आमचें काम उरलां तें आमी तांकां दितले. With that everything will be mostly covered. That's not, no, Khazan land is 18,000 hectares which is already there and which is also खंयचे तरी petition गेल्ले आनी त्या petition भितर High Courtan they have already agreed that HTL land आमी सांगलेले ती सारकी आसा and they have only asked for the mangroves which have gone to Khazan lands have to be removed, which if you ask me I am also agreeing, but I can't change the central line because they are protecting the mangroves. And what the petition is absolutely correct. First time a petitioner has put a correct petition for the help of the people, but I was also pursuing the same with the MOF. But unfortunately I could not convince them that what has come inside the Khazan lands is not because of anything, but it is because of neglect of the bunds and the neglect of the bunds and the sluice gates. That is why it has come inside. And that cannot be actual, what do you call that, mangroves. Mangroves are on the periphery. So this is the petition, which I was also saying, but unfortunately MUF did not agree. So that the petition decided. But now what we are doing, 18,000 hectares of Khazan land has been already identified by WRT. It has been mapped in survey numbers, which was done before long back. Now we are putting in the survey plans. We are making the polylines into polygrams. And within the next 8-10 days, with the help of the survey department, and we will do this and give it to NCSM, and we will freeze the POI and the Khazan land.
Okay. Thank you.